boy.
This is number one thing I
need
need
lights. My baby boy. I need lights.
Yeah, or 250. Yeah, because if it's too high, YouTube is going to detect it. Maybe 300, yeah, or 250. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm not gonna be doing the regular tutorial. No teaching for today. Today, I'm actually gonna be showing you guys how I shoot my videos. Yes, because I got one comment some times ago about the kind of mic I use, the camera I use, and the person was also asking me for my editing skills, like what app do I use to edit my videos. So today I'm gonna be revealing everything to you, starting from where I shoot my content, the stuffs I use. I promise don't laugh, okay? Because you know, one thing about this life is, I used to tell people, both on my live stream, that you should always try to make use of what you have. Use what you have to get what you want. You cannot go and steal. You cannot go and kill yourself. If you don't have money for mic, try to be audible. Then when you are editing, increase the volume. If you don't have tripod stand, use mopping stick. Use anything at all in your house that you know that if you place your phone, it won't fall. If you don't have, no more talk, let's just dive in. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna be showing you, currently where I am now is in my house. I'm actually in my parlor anyways. So this is actually the place I use to film my content. So if you watch my videos, you will see that I am always being seated and my curtain is showing, and that entrance to my door is showing. That is, let me just show you the back view of how it is, okay? So this is how the back view of where I sit and do my content is actually. Okay, let me show you this, my beautiful portrait I have here. That's by the way. So let us dive into the main business of the day. So I believe you all can see me. Yes. So right now what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be setting the space, yes, where I use to film my content. So the first thing I set is I'm actually using my small ring light now to record. So I'm going to be doing other necessary things, okay? This is number one thing I make use of. I'm going to show you its work. The next thing I make use of is my baby hanger. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. I use my baby hanger also. My phone. Actually, don't use this one though. I'm using my iPhone to film. So let's just say, let's assume I use this one to film, okay? I mustn't forget my YouTube book. Yes, this book, the main purpose of this book is I write my key points. So should in case I'm talking and I forget, let me know, like, let me just be real. I'm the kind of person that, yes, I know what I want to say, but you know, sometimes due to you know, when you're not all that exposed to camera, yes, because you will be shaking and somehow. So I use this book, I write my key points so that sometimes when I'm talking on this sometimes when I'm making my video, you see I'm looking left, I'm looking right. Yes, sometimes I check my book. You are just watching the real me now. Just imagine the stress. Just imagine the stress that I go through to edit and bring good content to your table. Don't play. So back to what I was saying. This book is where I write my ideas. Now I'm going to show you the usefulness of my baby hanger. So okay, for the content I'm creating, because I'm still going to do content after this. For the content I'm creating, I'm talking about how to optimize a video upload using SEO. So I'm going to open the page and drop it where it's supposed to be. you that. What's the next thing I need to do? Okay, I need to get my
Facebook's where the journey starts, linking all our beating hearts. Soaring will guide us through, lifting spirits change the view. Lift your heart up high and sing. Spread the joy that love can bring. Join the force.
So this is the setting of how it looks like. And the next thing I'm going to take over there is my baby boy. My ring light. My light is gonna be here. So at this juncture, I'm ready to film my content. So what I'm going to be showing you guys now is how I fixed my phone to my little ring light and shoot. Yeah, video me now. So let's just say this is camera.
Join the cause and feel the magic. Turn the gloom to something tragic. Serve love for all to see. Let's unite in harmony. Lift your heart up high and sing.
Okay, the light is reflecting, so I'll have to get rid of the light. Are you doing the phone? So hi guys. Come and see this so that you can actually show my face, you know. Okay, so I'm ready to film my content now. As you can see, my phone is already installed to my little ring light. Show the book. My book where I write my key points is there on top of my baby hanger. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, Princess Chamaka. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to optimize your video upload using SEO. Don't play. So let's just say I made a mistake like this. What I do is when I'm editing, the part I laugh, I do any silly thing, I cut it. Let me not go into that because you know that already. So what is the essence of this video? The essence of this video is the essence of this whole video is I'm trying to teach you to try and utilize what you have in your house. Like, use what you have to start doing something. As you can see, I don't have I don't know what to call it, but you can see that I made use of my baby hanger to place my book. That is where I write my key points, and I'm making use of my chair because I don't have that high tripod stand. With this my little ring light here, to be able to just see I bring out something for you guys. And I don't really need to go and start looking for a very beautiful environment or a nice place to do my content. I'm in my sitting room, as you can see. If you can even hear, there is a noise from the other compound. So what I do sometimes is, if the noise is too much, I just close the window. I've not started doing my video yet, that's why the window is still open. So I just close the window. Then when I'm editing, I make sure that I remove noise. That is, I reduce the noise in CapCut. If you don't understand this part, you can drop it in the comment section so that I can also enlighten you on that. So I think that is the end of today's video. What am I trying to tell you? I'm trying to tell you that I don't think you have any excuse for not starting up your YouTube channel yet. I don't think you still have any excuse for not starting something. As you can see, I don't have a microphone. Like as I said earlier, I try my best to make sure I'm audible. Then when I'm re-editing it in my CapCut, I increase the volume a little, not to 1000%, yeah, just a little, so like maybe 300, yeah, or 250, yes, because if it's too high, YouTube is going to detect it. Yes, so the essence of this whole video thing is for you to start creating content. Yeah, don't wait till you have it all. Don't wait till you have a fine camera. Don't wait to just start something. You grow. So for the phone I'm using to film my content is I'm using iPhone 7. Yeah, 7 plus, I think. Yes, 7 plus. So you can make use of any iPhone. Someone asked me if I was using I think XF Max, but I was like, no, I make use of my iPhone 7, and it was like iPhone 7 can actually give you this beautiful this beautiful camera and all that. I said yes, but that's what I'm using for now, to maybe when I upgrade to a bigger phone. So guys, start something. No excuses, okay? Stop giving excuses. See you guys, see you all in my next video. Bye.
The force of Sarah, light the world and feel the jam. Building hope in every nation, Sororium's a true sensation. Together we will rise above, shower kindness, spread the love. Facebook's where the journey starts,